deaf in my life, and when he says versus I can't tell the difference.
Even if you have one ear that works, that's enough. You should be able to hear the difference.
Say it again.
Ooh and ooh. Ooh. What did you say?
Untrue!
Good job. Riley, think about the gorilla.
The hypothetical gorilla.
Ooh. Ooh, ooh. There you go. Now put it. Now just add the T before it. Well, if you want to say the trouve, then the T and R. If you want to say tout, just the T. Tout. There you go. Trouve. There you go. Now on trouve. De tout. Now say it.
She got it!
Say it again yourself.
On trouve.